Coming up in today's video,
we're getting ready to go and walk with cheetahs.
that's a bit too close. This video is sponsored by Bougie Affair, bringing you all the latest quality fashion pieces from the UK, US and Europe. We are based in Lusaka, Zambia, so come and shop with us. You will find all the details in the description box below. Hi guys, it's your girl Trish Chanda. Welcome back to my channel. These are my special guests. We have Cheetahs and we have Chaminuka. They are brothers. They're 11 years old and they're going to join us today. Make sure that you keep on watching.
I'm feeling a bit nervous. So we're getting ready to go and walk with cheetahs, but I was giving it all the hype earlier, like, yeah, walking with cheetahs, but now I'm feeling a bit nervous. Like, I don't think they'll eat me, but I'm just nervous.
So come, we stand in line.
Okay.
You face the cheetah. Alright, you are most welcome for cheetah experience. So these are the two cheetahs which you're going to interact with to pose for a photo and have like a short walk, going this way. Yes. They have names like us humans, but they don't know their names. Before you know their names, my name is Crispy, and my colleague, his name is James.
Hi, James.
Yes. About the cheetahs, this one is Chaminuka, name of this place, which means a small hill.
Okay.
The brother there is Chipo. Chipo, it means gift.
Okay.
So we're not going to waste much of the time. We're going to start by touching.
Okay.
When you reach here, no standing. These are animals of dominance. Your height intimidates them. You lower your dominance by crouching down like this. Here you touch on the chin, rub the belly, the back.
Oh my gosh, seriously, as he was saying this, I was like, why is he so relaxed? Listen, I know he's with his cheetahs every single day, but I'm absolutely terrified. If you could see my face, I was literally shaking, but I was just like, come on Trish, you've got to do it. You've come this far, we're walking with cheetahs. But if it was up to me, I'd have gone home, but I didn't go home because I'm like, well, you've got to do a video now, you're here, aren't you? But really and truly, I was like, hey.
Touch on the chin, rub the belly, the back, all the way up to the tail. Since you're a lady, you can even do some makeup with the tail like that. Yes. Inside the ears,
Yeah.
and down their legs, don't touch.
Okay.
Stick this or tip up. If you're comfortable, you can even sit like this behind,
Really?
or laying down like that. Then you
Okay.
touch,
Okay.
Yes. Wait. Yeah, you can breathe enough. Okay, you can come now.
Okay.
Yes, you just pass behind me.
Guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe. My camera.
Yeah, you face the camera as well. Don't forget to face the cameras.
So, what does it mean when it's purring?
Meaning is
Happiness.
happy,
Oh, so it's happy.
like your
Yes.
heart cuts.
So this one is called Chaminuka.
Yes.
Is it?
Try to hold the tail.
Okay.
Put it brush. It's a very nice perfume.
Like this?
It's a very nice perfume.
Then you face the camera.
You
Yeah.
can do some makeup.
Hold on.
Also,
Okay, I'm ready.
Then I touch the top of the tail.
No, that's too much for me. That's a bit too close. Hi, Chaminuka. How are you? Okay, guys, I'll be honest with you. He's so relaxed, like really relaxed, and like he's really calm. Can I brush here?
Yes.
It's not as scary as what I thought it would be. It's actually quite okay. This is like a wow experience though. Like, this is amazing. Like, I'm literally in Africa
and I'm all the way in Lusaka, Zambia, rubbing the cheetah. Like, I feel like this is amazing. It's just something out of this world. What's interesting facts about these cheetahs?
In their natural environment, they can live about 12 years, but in captivity like here, they can go about 20.
Okay, so they're 11. Oh, so normally they just go to 12 years old?
Yes.
Why?
You have the issue that in the world there's competition of food, and even lions, they kill cheetahs just to reduce the competition.
Really?
Like here in captivity, we provide food for them, and when they get sick, we take them to the vet in the village of Zambia.
Really?
Yes, that is why.
So they really get looked after?
Yes.
Yeah.
Running, they run fast, 120 kilometers per hour.
Wow. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie, everybody was watching me and I was like in front of the ranges, and you know, I had to be like, oh, cool, calm and collective. But if I'm really honest with you, I was really scared and I was like, should I do the walk? Then I was like, I've come all the way, I'm all the way in like Africa, I'm all the way in Lusaka. I was like, I might as well do the walk. But I'll be honest with you, when I was walking I was like, Trish, I don't think this is a good idea. But by that point I was already in it, so I thought, well, since I'm in it, I might as well just finish the walk. But
Did you do it again?
no, I definitely recommend it. I do feel like if you're coming to Lusaka, the thing is this, guys, if you're coming all the way to Zambia, you can't come here and not do a cheetah walk. You can't come here and not feed the elephants. Do you know what I mean? I feel like if you don't do those two things, then you're not in Africa. Like, it's not the same going to the zoo. You're in Africa walking with cheetahs. Like, that's dope. So yeah, definitely recommend it. My hat's falling off. Guys, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Make sure that you like, comment and subscribe.